Hi, today in front of me XIAOMI 11T and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings and now scroll down to the sounds and vibrations section. Now here you get the notifications, that's droplets. Now tap here and as can you see you can choose from this one or go just to the more section. You can choose here from the online ringtones and also from the local ringtones on your device, but in the file manager or in the music application. And also you can just change one from these notifications sounds. For example, I will go with this one, and now if you will go back, we can see that the notification sound has changed successfully to the fresh one. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.